Why, Sebastian, run away with you? This is all so sudden. Amanda, thank you so much for clicking on this video. Hope you're having a wonderful day. Thank you for taking a few minutes out of your day to hang out with me. Today's video, we are unboxing and trying on the products from my BIJOU beauty box for November 2019. This has become one of my favorite subscription boxes, and I do realize that it is a little bit more expensive than BOXYCHARM or IPSY, for example, but they have just started this year, and I love the positive interaction I have had with the owner. If you're unfamiliar with BIJOU beauty box, it is $30 a month, and you get 5 full-size items in every box, and it doesn't specify the retail value amount. It seems to be fluctuating month to month. So if you're interested in seeing what I received in my BIJOU beauty box for November 2019, definitely keep on watching. Before I jump in, I'd really appreciate it if you subscribe to my channel before clicking off this video. I post new videos Monday through Friday of subscription unboxings, beauty hauls, first impressions, eyeshadow palette reviews, and more. Also, I hope you're watching during the month of November because I have my Thanksgiving giveaway currently open right now. I will leave a link in the cards and also the description below to check on after watching this video. Let it rip! And it includes a card, tells you about the brands that you received as well as the prices. Ooh! House Labs? That's Lady Gaga, isn't it? Okay, all right, BIJOU. Ooh, those are pretty. And we're gonna have some giveaway items because I already own an item or two from what I've received. There is this product by the brand Millennial Beauty, and it's called That Ass. The owner actually DM'd me on Instagram and saying, hey, toss out this product, it is defective. I don't know if she maybe bought some at the beginning of like October and like the end of October, or if she ordered it in bulk. That would have affected this product to be defective. She is sending a replacement item to me. She said it's gonna be a sheet mask from this brand, so I just wanted to quickly address this and toss it. I received a ColourPop gel eyeliner, and this retails for $6.50. I received the shade Dirty Talk. I actually am gonna set this aside for a giveaway because I don't really use gel eyeliners like this. I mainly use felt tips or pencils, so I'd rather just set it aside because it would just collect dust on my end, and I'd rather it going to a loving home to one of you guys. I also received the House Laboratories liquid eyeliner, and this retails for $20. I know I've talked about not really being interested in trying Lady Gaga's makeup, but to receive it in a subscription box is really cool because it is a brand new brand. Ooh, this is what the felt tip looks like. It also feels fairly heavy. Oh, wow. That is a nice eyeliner. It glided on so nice. It is so matte black. Oh. Okay, Lady Gaga, I see you. The price of it seems pretty standard for eyeliners that are more prestige, like Urban Decay. I'm trying to think of other brands because I tend to use a little bit more affordable ones like Maybelline, Morphe. But this is nice. I'm really curious to see how this wears on the lid, if it's going to adhere to shadow. I hope it doesn't crease on me because I do have hooded eyes, so if I tend to blink after putting on eyeliner, it will end up in my crease, looking like we're gonna do a cut crease with black eyeliner. Not the cutest look, but it dried down really fast, so I don't think we're gonna run into that issue. This is awesome. I'm still in shock right now because I would have never expected House Labs to be in a subscription box before. Next, we received the Medusa's makeup brush set, and this retails for $29. In one of the previous boxes, we received a Medusa's brush, and I liked it for blush. It's a very soft brush, so I don't reach for it as much. My preference is my brushes to be a little bit more dense. So I wonder how these are gonna feel. Oh yeah, these have a little bit more density to them. This is gonna be a nice crease brush. I love the handles of the teal and purple glitters. Those are just my favorite colors. Oh, this brush would be good to either pack on some shadows or maybe cut the crease. This one looks good for the brows, maybe to help clean them up a little bit, or maybe some intense eyeliner, which I know I'm not gonna do. Ooh, this could be either a highlighting or maybe a blush brush. Okay. And then the last product received is the ColourPop Smoke Show eyeshadow palette, and this retails for $12. I actually already own this palette, so I'm gonna set it aside. I'm just going to double check to make sure it is not broken, and this is what it looks like. So excited to see ColourPop in a subscription as well. And I think if you don't go out to Ulta or like to purchase from from ColourPop directly. So I think getting it in a subscription box is another neat way of receiving it to be able to try their products. So this one and the eyeliner are going to be set aside, and I'm going to pull my smoke show. I actually have it set aside in my bin of eyeshadow palettes to review, so looks like it's getting moved up in the queue. Let's go on ahead and do some swatches. Young Love, Smokin', Stone Face. I can't roll up my sleeves all the way. Maybe I'll do it like this. Ooh, yes, super creamy, pigment all the way through. I'm already a huge fan of ColourPop. I pretty much know what to expect. All their palettes seem to be pretty consistent with regards to formulas, so I don't really have any red flags or concerns about how these shadows are gonna blend or pay off. We dive into this palette. My hair is getting in the way. Bobby pinned, it is. Slated, Starstruck, Ignite. I really like Starstruck. That is gorgeous. So I don't know if it was my bone or the actual color that caused that swatch to be a little wonky. Let's Do It, Full Metal, Night Dream. And this is what the palette looks like swatched. Oh my gosh, this is probably my favorite monochromatic palette that ColourPop has come out with, because my aesthetic is black and this palette definitely excites me. I thought it was a joke because a lot of brands like to put the black and white filter over when they are teasing products, but this is legit. Okay, some of the shades just want to stay on, which is completely fine with me. I don't know how the look is going to end up. We're probably going to look like a panda by the end of this video. So overall, I don't think it was a bad box for November. I am so excited and still processing that I received a House Laboratories eyeliner in my box. I'm really excited to see ColourPop in a subscription box, and there was a bunch of palette variations. I actually did message them for a different one as a preference, but your preference isn't always guaranteed. And then I'm really excited for the brushes. I don't think I'm going to use this one in the video. I think I'm just going to focus on using the eye brushes. It's going to be a very eye heavy look, but I will set this aside to do a full face of products that I've received in a subscription box for the month of November. I have mentioned this before because I have received some multiple similar products in a single month BIJOU box. The very first box I received a Melt Gloss as well as a Glam Light liquid lipstick. I would have liked to see maybe a more variant. Instead of receiving 2 eyeliners, maybe a lip product would have been nice to help balance it out, or a face product, but it's okay. It's going to you guys, so I'm not as annoyed. All right, let's try out these products. I want to prime with Tarte Shape Tape, but I don't think I'm going to because this palette kind of intimidates me in a way because of how messy this is going to get real quick. So I'm going to play it safe and use my Urban Decay Potion Primer instead. I know that's probably a cop-out. As much as I love black, I just don't know how this is going to go over. I feel like I have a less chance of looking scary using Urban Decay Potion Primer. I'm gonna go on ahead and fill my brows with the Wander Beauty Micro Pencil, and then I set them with the ABH Clear Brow Gel. Let's see, what kind of look are we gonna go for? It's a good question. I think I kind of want to do a halo look. I kind of want to do my usual crease, outer V, and then lid. I can always do a two-toned. I don't know. Let's take Slated. This one's calling me. There's a little bit of kickback. Brush seemed to pick it up just fine. Ooh, this is blending out really nice. I like this shade. I do want to deepen it with Let's Do It. Probably need like a smaller brush for this. I'm just pretty much just digging it in where my crease and lid meet. Maybe I should have started off with this shade first and then use Slated to help. Ooh, we are smoky. Like I said, this look is probably going to look really crazy. I am meeting my expectations. Let's try Stone Face just to clean things up a bit. Ooh, I like when those two colors meet. Adds like a really cool effect, like that smoke effect. Gotta be punny somehow, right? I'm gonna take some e.l.f. Camo Concealer to cut the crease. I think I'm gonna start with Full Metal. Ooh, that's so pretty. On the other side, I'm gonna take Night Dream. I just wanna try as many shades as I can. Add some dose to the waterline. Let me try, before we completely just ruin everything, let me take some of this House Labs and put it on the lid. I loved how that applied, and there's really not much shadow adhering to the felt tip, but it is a heavier eyeliner. It reminds me of the Maybelline Hyper Easy new eyeliner that has recently been released. I absolutely love that, and it has like that heavier feel like this does too. So this is like the bougie, more high-end version. That's like the best comparison I can draw with how this eyeliner performs. We're gonna soil it, soil it, soil it right now, because I do want to take the shade Let's Do It. Oh, I need to clean off this brush. It has Mystic Ice from the Dominique Cosmetics palette. It's gonna completely be ruined right now. I've already accepted it. I was about to say, maybe it's not as bad. Then I look at my monitor and I'm like, did you just get a black eye? I feel like I'm in a very scene emo element right now, and I'm okay with that. I really wanted 2019 to be 29 scene, but I complete the look with the shade Starstruck. Ooh, that's like popping. Mascara it is. We totally committed with black lipstick as well. Overall, I really liked how this Smoke Show palette performed. I just look a little scary, per usual, but it's such a fun look. This is a mood. I really like the House Laboratories eyeliner. It went on so good. I know it's really hard to see with all of the black going on right now, but it was so good, and I'm going to get so much use out of it. I'm actually a little bit more curious about Lady Gaga's products right now, because I viewed it very similarly to Kylie Cosmetics, of it just being a cash grab with their name on it, but this definitely took me by surprise. I'm glad that there are some good quality products from these celebrities, and it really truly isn't all a cash grab. Some of them are pretty decent quality. I only used 2 of the brushes. This crease brush is a little bit too big for me and my small hooded eyes. I think it would have worked out the best really buffing out the transition shade to help smoke out everything, but I really liked how it laid and blended out shadow. It did a really nice job. I really liked how this brush laid down the shimmer shades. It did a really good job. I think it might be too big to cut the crease, but I think this will continue to be a brush that will keep applying shimmers. I did not use this brush. I thought about maybe using it to smoke out, but I think I'm just gonna use it to help clean up my brows after I do fill them in. I'll set this aside for a future video, as well as the face brush received that we didn't use either. Let me know if you got the BIJOU beauty box for November 2019. Did we get the same products? Did you get a different variation than me? Would love to know how the products worked out for you and which products were your favorites and not your favorites. And do you plan on getting December's? I do have a non-affiliate code with BIJOU. You can use the code ayyyeeeitsamanda for 15% off. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video and found it useful. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave, and if you don't, thank you for the view anyways, and I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to enter the giveaway! Bye!